Now, monsoon mayhem continues to wreak havoc in the national capital for the second straight day. Thunderstorm with moderate to heavy intensity rainfall continues in Delhi. The capital will continue to get more rains as per the Met Department. Roads, residential areas, schools, hospitals, markets continue to remain inundated amid the rainfall, leading to traffic snarls at many stretches. In fact, the IMD has said that waterlogging in low-lying areas will be witnessed and rains will also reduce visibility. Partial damage to plantations and standing crops will also be seen. The IMD has also suggested people to stay indoors and follow traffic advisories. Delhiites have also been asked to avoid staying in vulnerable structures. In fact, on Wednesday, Delhi received close to 80% of the average monthly rainfall in just a day's time. This is the highest rainfall in September for Delhi in over 19 years. Let me cut across to Anisha Mathur right there, who's giving us a perspective on the kind of difficulties that Delhiites face owing to the rains resulting in floods. Anisha, what do you see behind you? We're looking at almost all records broken for the last 19 years. This is the first time that Delhi has received this kind of rain in the month of September. How are people handling it?
Well, Nabila, I'm going to ask my cameraman Alok to pan around and show you. We are standing at Pragati Maidan, where because of construction anyway there has been traffic issues. But here, if you can see in the visuals, the entire road is completely inundated. This is the Mathura road. It is a main artery of Delhi. If you're going north to south or north to central or even east to coming in from the east, and this entire road is completely inundated. Only traffic, as you can see, is moving from one lane of this road, and a similar situation has been seen across the city. We've been coming in from the south Delhi area, Aurobindo Marg, Anuvrat Marg, the areas, the road towards Gurgaon from Hauz Khas. There are several spots of severe waterlogging. We're getting similar reports not only from Delhi but also from NCR, Indrapuram, Noida, Ghaziabad, Gurgaon. There are several spots which have a lot of waterlogging and a lot of traffic jam. But thankfully, at least in Delhi, for the last about 40 odd minutes, there has been no rain. Therefore, the water seems to be receding in several of these areas. But the Met Department had set out just yesterday, when the Met Department forecast had come, there is a yellow alert for today as well as till Friday. The prediction is moderate to heavy rainfall till 5th of September. So the IMD has put out a warning that people should try and not go out on the roads as far as possible. For now, there is no rain in Delhi at the moment, but the prediction is that there could be more rain even today and till the next couple of days. Back to you.
Right, Anisha, please do stay safe. Now, the flood situation coming from many other parts of Delhi is worrisome. In fact, Lalganj block in Vaishali district of Bihar has now worsened. We are looking at several other states in India currently looking at severe rainfall. In fact, the collapse of the Jafrabad embankment leading to several villages along with schools and hospitals getting submerged in water has now raised severe concerns for people around. My colleague Rohit Singh brings us this ground report.
Unrelenting rains, overflowing rivers and poor infrastructure. The catastrophic floods in Bihar are an annual feature. In Vaishali district, the deluge has disrupted essential services, even impacting access to medical facilities.
बिहार में बाढ़ से हालात किस तरीके से बदहाल है, इसकी तस्वीर इस वक्त आप देख सकते हैं वैशाली ज़िले के लालगंज प्रखंड में, जहां पर आप देखिए जो एक रेफरल अस्पताल है, लालगंज रेफरल अस्पताल, वहां से मरीज किस तरीके से पानी में जो है ऐसे ही लेके जाना पड़ता है और लेके आना पड़ रहा है.
A pregnant Preeti Singh was wheeled on a stretcher in knee-deep water to a hospital by her family.
कल रात प्रीति जी को लेके आए थे, आपकी बेटी है?
जी जी.
कैसे लेकर आए थे अस्पताल?
पैदल इसमें से हिला के ले गए थे सर.
पानी में से ही ले गए थे?
जी जी जी.
डर नहीं लगा रात में इतना पानी है यहाँ पर?
सर डर लगा, हमारे पेशेंट था तो सर करे क्या.
दिक्कत हो रहा है इस तरीके से
सर आने जाने में सर दिक्कत है सर. आने जाने में सर दिक्कत है, बहुत कठिनाई है सर.
The rural medical infrastructure already under stress due to the pandemic, is reeling under the impact of floods.
डॉक्टर जयराम, कितनी मुश्किल हो रही है इस तरीके से काम करना?
देखिए सर, हम पैर सड़ा हुआ पानी में पैर रख रहे हैं, लगता है कि हम भी बीमार पड़ जाएंगे, हमारा इन्फेक्शन हो जाएगा, लेकिन ड्यूटी करना है, मरीज है यहाँ बगल में, कर रहे हैं, इसलिए इसमें प्रशासन को ध्यान देना होगा कि जल निकासी कम से कम जल्दी से जल्दी हो।
Medical equipment worth lakhs have been placed on bricks to protect them from water. The labor room is empty. Patients are missing. Instead, we spot fish. At least 17 out of Bihar's 38 districts have been hit by floods this year. In the absence of proper planning, life in many parts of the state has come to a standstill once again. Bureau Report, India Today.